Hi, today for this video, we are going to be needing a rubber band, a pair of scissors, and a paper airplane. So let's get started. So first, since I've already done this, cut a slot there, so it's like that. And then put that up so it makes a tail. Like that. Then, so you should have this, and then you cut that. And then you take your paper airplane and you fly it. You put it in there. You take your rubber band, put it in there, and then hold it right here. Pull it back and let it rip. So, let me get a better camera angle. Okay, ready? Did you see that? Whoa! That was pretty cool, right? Trying to get it adjusted. Sorry, it's getting dark. Okay, I don't know if you saw that or not, but that was really cool. So now we just gotta move it to the side a bit. And turn down the light. Okay, there we go. Now you can see. So this is a really easy thing to do. And in a race, you would so win. Did you see that? That was amazing! So, that's how you make a paper airplane rocket launcher thing. Bye!